Samsung might release the S25 Ultra in early 2025, likely around January or February. While there is no official word on pricing yet, it's expected to be similar to the S24 Ultra, starting at around $1,299. The S25 Ultra is rumored to have a stunning 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which promises a vivid and immersive viewing experience. This screen will also have a 125 GHz refresh rate, making everything from scrolling through social media to playing games look incredibly smooth. When it comes to performance, the S25 Ultra could be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Generation 4 chip or Samsung Exynos 25000 processor. Both options should provide top-of-the-line performance, ensuring that the phone can handle gaming, multitasking, and running demanding apps without breaking a sweat. One of the most exciting rumors is about the camera. The S25 Ultra might feature a massive 1-inch 200-megapixel main camera sensor. This could mean incredibly detailed and high-quality photos and videos. Additionally, we might see major improvement in low-light photography and zoom capabilities, making it easier to take clear and bright photos at night or zoom in a distant object without losing detail. For storage, the S25 Ultra is expected to use UPS 4.1 technology, which will make loading times and apps launch super fast. This could be an exclusive feature for the S25 Ultra, giving it an edge over other models. On the software side, the phone will likely run on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 on top. This combination should offer a smooth and user-friendly experience. There are also whispers that this version of the software might include the second generation of Google's LaMDA language model, known as Gemini Nano 2, which could enhance the phone's AI feature, making it smarter and more responsive. Lastly, the battery might come with battery AI technology, which is designed to optimize usage and extend battery life. This means the phone could manage power more efficiently, giving you more time between charges. Remember, these are all leaks and rumors, so take them with a pinch of salt. They do paint a very exciting picture of what the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra could be. What feature are you most excited about? Are there any specific improvement you would like to see compared to S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates as we get closer to the official reveal. Thanks for watching.